welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing these griddle plates that I got for my Cuisinart Griddler. They're really nice, as you can see. It has the flat side and then the grill side on the other side, and they're both the same thing. So easy to install. You just simply pop that right in and snap. And I'm just going to put this one on to show you, just like that, and snap. So as you can see, you can do two things at once. If you lay this flat, you can use this for frying eggs, and you can also use this for grilling. Lots of possibilities. It's a great pan. It's made of aluminum alloy with double layer. It's got Teflon sprayed oil, all food grade materials, non-stick coating for cooking so it won't stick, so that's awesome. Long-term durability. It's a great gift for Cuisinart Griddlers. Dishwash safe. You should hand wash with soap for longer lifespan. As anything, if you wash it by hand, obviously it's going to last longer, so I would recommend hand washing, but it is dishwash safe. The griddle plates are only designed to fit Cuisinart Griddler GR4N, Grid 8N, and GR5B series. So make sure you check that before you order. It's mostly the newer version Cuisinart. The older versions will not fit these replacement griddle plates. But overall, great product. I highly recommend it. It's perfect that you can grill inside your house, or make paninis, or do barbecue, everything. You can do anything you can imagine, you can use this. So highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.